Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Thursday. Trumpeter's Thursday. Yeah, we'll try it. Yesterday, and late afternoon, I had a visitor. Glennis came by while I made her and Clark's dinner. I prepared a beef zucchini stir fry while the whole time I waited for prep until she got here, about 3:30. We talked, we had a good time, and she took photos. I just basically ignored the camera and just did my thing. The meal ended up looking great. It tasted great. And Glennis took that meal home to Clark. She prepared her own rice, and they enjoyed it very much. I've seen a few of the photos. Glennis posted some up yesterday evening. They're fun. They're great. I'm looking forward to incorporating them into the Casual Chef's Kitchen and so forth. Today, I don't know if you can hear, but the rooster is crowing right out my front door. Yes, I have chickens. They're not mine. They're feral. They're strays. Yes. But yeah. So tonight, I'm doing fish tacos. I'm actually in the fish tacos I've done in the past were my recipe, my blend of spices. But what caught my eye with this particular recipe is not necessarily the fish and the spice one. It's the slaw. Let's get to it. Got to have some hardware. Got some tilapia. We'll get into those in a second. Kosher salt, black pepper. There's going to be lime juice involved in both the fish and the slaw. We've got some olive oil. I'm using pasilla chili powder, Mexican paprika, ground cumin, and just a pinch or two of cayenne. The sour cream is for garnish. These poor tortillas. These are little baby tortillas. And I left them out last night. Normally we keep these in the pantry, but I don't know if you can see the holes in the gnaw marks, because I left these out last night jumping ahead. I was trying to jump ahead and get things pre-prepared for my morning mise en place. So when I came out and discovered one of the cats loves bread. And yeah, I shouldn't have left them out. So I guess he has to go to the store. Me. All right, back to it. So for the next little bit, for the slaw, red cabbage, mayonnaise, honey, cilantro, some corn, and diced chilies. Now, since I have to go to the store, I'm actually going to pick up a jalapeno or two, depending on size. I'll just go fresh. I'll probably pick up some limes when I'm there too, to get, yeah. So, on this Trumpeter's Thursday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.